Hi guys, you're welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a big update on Satoshi mining platform. Guys, we've mined a particular token on this platform over the couple of months, and that is H1 Haven1 token. Guys, this particular video will guide you on how to check your status. Guys, the process is very simple. But before we dive into that, let's take a look at this token on our Satoshi mining platform. So guys, here is Satoshi mining platform. If you have not joined this platform, you can still join this platform. So come over and tap on this button there. Once you tap on that button, then go ahead and tap on my wallet. Here is my wallet. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, guys, you need to scroll up a bit once you get to H1 or Haven1 token. Guys, this particular project requires you to participate in the testnet, which we've participated also, and I've made the video on our channel on how to do that. So guys, here is the token and here is how it looks like. So now that it's here now, let's go over to that Twitter handle and get the link and access that link and check our status about this project. So here is the Twitter handle of that Satoshi platform, and the first link is what we are interested in. You can see Haven1.satoshi.sp where you check your status. So once you tap on that link, it comes up like this. You can see that Haven1 secure your Haven token airdrop on Satoshi. Now scroll up, guys. Once you scroll up, once you tap on that link, it comes up like this. Paste the wallet address you submitted on the testnet page as well as the wallet you submitted on your Satoshi mining platform. I guess you submitted the same wallet address. So tap and paste the wallet address you submitted. Now that I've tapped and paste the wallet address you submitted, go ahead and tap on this status button. So wait for this page to load up. You can see, guys, that says congratulations, you are all good. So guys, we've submitted. It means you've gotten it right, and the airdrop will be sent to your wallet once the time of distribution comes. So guys, if you have not gotten this, maybe you consider take the same process again, resubmit to your follow the process on the testnet page so that you'll be able to qualify for this airdrop. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed to the channel, guys, kindly subscribe to our channel, tap the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.